really good, Madeline.
That's some good pouring.
That was clever, Madsy.
I bought it meant for you.
She's good.
I bought it meant for you. I bought it meant for you. I bought it meant for you.
For me! Thank you. You have it now.
Cheese.
Cheese! No, I've got to drive, so I'm not going to have any, and I'm learning from the last time. Waking up at 4 in the morning with red wine lips and my clothes still on. Oh, sitting behind my desk, just. No, it was good fun, as I said, it was worth it, but at the same time I was very like, never again. What are you doing in there? What's happening? You need a torch? I don't know if we've got a torch. Okay, what do you need the torch for? The darkness. Hold on.
Cheese.
Cheese. Who's that monster?
Can we do a monster?
It's my cake.
This is a cake.
That's my cake. It's not random at all.
No, on this one a wee bit. You'll never guess what I was eating. A minced toasty. A minced toasty.